Bai. This word literally means friend in Bisaya. Hi friends! In this video, let's find out if the hotel where I stayed in Cebu is really guest friendly. Welcome to Bai Hotel. Upon entrance, you will be greeted by a very homey, huge lobby, and polite staff. They even gave me welcome drink while I'm waiting for my room key card. My room is on the 15th floor, and I booked a deluxe room. As soon as I stepped in my room, the receptionist called me and asked me if I find the room in order or if I want something to be fixed. Well, that's the first for me. Here, we have a full height closet with two bathrobes and enough space to hang your clothes and store your luggage. They have a full height mirror, they have iron, safety box to store your valuables, and two drawers for your clothes, and they also have iron stand by the way. I'll show you the toilet area later. Moving on, they have this mini bar with two complimentary bottled water, electric kettle, coffee and tea which they replenish daily, two coffee mugs, and a mini fridge. Next, they have this bench. This is where I put my luggage or some other stuff. So this is actually a connecting room. You can book two adjacent rooms with a connecting access. Perfect for families. The hotel room is actually quite spacious. Here is the king-size bed with two bedside tables. Across is the TV which has limited cable channels. They also have a small lounge area, a sofa, and an ottoman where you can chill. A very comfy desk where you can get some work done, and a list of their menu for in-room dining. They're so sweet. They got dried mangoes as welcome snack. There's not much attractive view outside because the area around the hotel is still being developed. So let's go and see the toilet. They got a fancy toilet, floating water closet, a hair dryer, lots of toiletries like shaving kit, vanity kit, shower cup, a comb, sanitary bag, lotion, and of course, dental kit. The shower area has rainwater fixture. And oh, they got shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, and bath soap. They also replenish this daily. I really love the room. It's very homey. Good morning. Let's go and have a breakfast.
Going down.
They serve the breakfast at Cafe Bai on the second floor. It's a buffet breakfast with loads of choices from American, Filipino, and Korean menu. They also serve different kinds of pastries, breads, vegetable salad, and fresh fruit. I enjoyed my stay in Bai Hotel. It lived up to its name. The staff are very friendly and accommodating. The smallest gesture to make their guests feel important and well taken care of means a lot. I will surely stay here again. Bai Hotel is located at Mandaue City, Cebu. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for my upcoming hotel room reviews and watch my room reviews on my playlist.